Welcome to the Omolade Academy, where every scholar is crowned with excellence and opportunities. Let's check out our school. As we approach the school entrance, feel the warmth and energy that radiates from a community united in purpose. The K1 classroom, where the youngest minds begin their journey of discovery, nurtured in an environment that fosters curiosity and creativity. Second and third grade, where foundational skills are honed and scholars are encouraged to explore and innovate. Now, take a moment to admire the iconic Omolade hallway, a corridor that symbolizes the path of growth and transformation each scholar embarks on. As scholars embark through this hallway, they are inspired by the powerful images of great leaders. The Innovation Room, a space dedicated to pushing boundaries and sparking the entrepreneurial spirit within our students. The library is more than just a room filled with books. It's a sanctuary of knowledge, where scholars immerse themselves in stories that inspire and inform. The iconic Omolade sign serves as a proud reminder of our identity and the legacy we're building together. Step into the theater, where creativity takes center stage, and every scholar is encouraged to express their unique voice. The music room resonates with the sounds of harmony and rhythm as students learn to weave the universal language of music into their lives. Here at the Omolade Academy, creativity is the spark that ignites new ideas and empowers every scholar to imagine and create without limits. The art room. Imagination knows no bounds, and scholars are free to explore the vibrant colors of their creativity. Finally, the gym, where the pursuit of physical excellence is matched by the development of character and resilience. Here, scholars learn the importance of teamwork, discipline, and perseverance. At the Omolade Academy, we are more than just a school. We're a community, a family dedicated to nurturing the leaders, innovators, and change-makers of tomorrow. Here, every scholar is crowned with excellence and opportunities.